Today, guys, welcome back to the new video. Today, I'm gonna be using the exact same trains again, but kind of different. Using like Stepford Connect and Airlink.
Your attention,
because they're the only
please.
ones that have the same trains, I think.
The 21:45 service
Let's
from
head inside to
Edgemead has
Stepford
been
Central, of
cancelled.
course. Let's
This
head
is
inside,
due
shall we?
to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Are you serious right now? Anyway, I just started running anyway.
For the 21:31 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge.
Let's make sure I put my ticket in the machine.
Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central.
No, I can't.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Oh, there goes the train.
The train now standing at platform 12 is the 21:33 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3 via
Benton
Stepford Airport Central.
We will be calling at Benton Bridge,
Stepford East, Stepford
Airport
Airport
Parkway,
Parkway, Stepford
Airport Central,
Airport Terminal 2,
and
and
Airport Terminal 3.
3.
Why doesn't
This
Airport...
train is formed of 12 coaches.
Yeah, and guys, Stepford UFC does not come up on the metro.
Is located at the front of the train.
And guys, if you go and have a look on the metro menu, Stepford UFC doesn't come up on the metro. So we're just gonna have to get the train to Stepford UFC again.
21:33 Airlink
Service to
Airport
Stepford
Terminal
Airport.
3 has been
And there's a
cancelled.
train already. Are you kidding
This is
me?
due to a member of
Stop.
the train crew being unavailable.
There's a train already here.
Platform 11 for the 21.
Oh my gosh, I can't be bothered anymore. I'll cut the video till my train comes. I'll put myself in. I'll cut the video till my train comes. Turns out my train's pulling in any minute now. I can see it somehow.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
See that train through there? We'll be using that later.
Standing at
Just gotta get the
C
Stepford Connect one
is the
first.
21:35.
Yes, exactly.
Metro service
This exact train.
to Stepford UFC. Calling at Four Ways, Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Leader, and
Oh my god, the train actually pulled in. Oh my god, let me just press the button.
the train now approaching platform 15 terminates here. This is Stepford Central.
Oh my god, I'm not
21. Stepford Victoria.
I'm not in the right pathway. So I need to
Service
go.
to Stepford Victoria.
Financial Quarter.
Calling at Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria.
And finally, I'm in the right
This
path.
train is formed of 3 coaches.
Now, of course, in the time lapse, so let's go. Oh, wait a minute. Of course, in the time lapse, so let's go. No, of course, in the time lapse, so let's go. Okay, guys, we have officially arrived at Financial Quarter, but basically, we just did it. Financial Quarter, obviously. Time to watch the train depart, and I just gotta watch it in the depart. Make sure this is not a 6 car,
A
no.
member of the train crew being unavailable.
It has the same height as the train. Stand away from the platform edges all the time. Of course, it's my friend, I know. of course, guys, other platform. The Stepford Central.
Platform 2 for the 2136 Stepford Connect. Service to Stepford Victoria.
Oh, you kidding me?
Calling at Stepford Victoria only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Is this a metro train or does it say Stepford Connect? Stepford Connect. Oh, there it is, not stopping. Never mind, why did you not stop at the station? Anyway, I will cut the video till my train comes, and you know, I might just actually just teleport to Stepford Central. Should I teleport or do I just get the train? You know, actually, let's just teleport. And of course, let's get... Oh my god! And of course, let's go for the Airlink train. Just to wipe up them. Let's go for the Airlink. Stepford Central Airlink train. Oh my god. Yes. Airport Park. Yes. What way do I go? Why are the cars in here? And I've never seen cars in Stepford County Railway. There's a Tesla. What? You can walk through them, but you can't drive them. How dumb is this? And of course, yes. I've never seen Airport Park. I've never been to it. I've been through it, I've been through it on the train in real life, but I haven't been to
Platform 3
I just
for
thought
the 2143 Airlink. Service to Airport Terminal 3
Frick!
via Stepford Airport Central.
Get down on the platform. Is this
Calling
this
out.
in the right platform?
Stepford Airport
No, this
Central.
yes.
Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3.
Need to go airport.
This train
Terminal
is formed
3
of
now.
6 coaches.
Where do I go? I need to go to
First
first
class is located at the middle of the train.
Thanks for letting me know that. And yes, I'm already at the platform. Oh my god, let me sit. Thanks. Oh my god. Of course, in the time lapse, let's go. Of course, in the time lapse, let's go. Of course, in the time lapse, let's go. I'm simply joking. Anyway, guys, we have arrived at Terminal 2. And we're going to Terminal 2. Terminal 3. Terminal 3, I mean. When are you going to close the door? Is this Stepford Connect? Oh my god. Of course, in the time lapse, let's go. Continue the time lapse. Continue, yes.